Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Happy Mother's Day. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. The adult May Take It, Make It packet are going to be these mosaic coasters. Aren't they kind of pretty? So all of the stuff that you need to make those will be in the craft packet that you can pick up at the circulation desk. Now, those are recommended for adults only because there's glass. We don't want kids getting cut with the glass. May 11th is National Technology Day. So I thought, since it's Mother's Day, I would ask one of our reference librarians if she could use some of our technology to find out the history of Mother's Day. So she did. She went to research on our webpage and went down to dictionary encyclopedias, and she used World Book Advance and typed in Mother's Day. And she brought up the story of Mother's Day. So that's one way to use our technology. And don't forget, there's all kinds of other areas that you can go look. Then I went and looked for some books. There's one called How to Protect Your Children on the Internet. This is in the adult department. And this is really something important for parents nowadays and even grandparents to keep your child safe while on the internet. Then I went over to the children's department, and they have a series called Everyday STEM. And I have put links to this series in the description of the video. And I don't know about you, but I happen to find that sometimes reading the children's books about technology and everything helps me understand it a little better than going and trying to read through all of the adult book information. And then there is another one called Our Digital Planet. And I have also put a link to that series in the information part of this video. Then we go on to what YA is doing this month or in the next couple of weeks. On May 9th, which is tomorrow, they're going to do flower bombs. I have no idea what that is, but it ought to be interesting. And then on May 12th, which is Thursday, they're doing movie night. And then on the 16th, they're going to make crepes. That ought to be really good. And on May 19th is game night. And then on Saturday, May 14th, the Teen Writers Group is going to meet from 2 to 3:30 in the Glotzbecker room. Now, all the other things for teens is in the community room, and whatever night it's on, it's always 6 to 8 o'clock. In the children's department, be sure and check our social media pages for all their ongoing programs. Now, the summer reading program is going to be starting in June. So keep your eye open for any information that we're going to be posting on our social media pages about the summer reading program. So for now, continue to enjoy your Mother's Day and hope to see you all in another couple weeks.